Alright, let's see if these guys fly for me here. Check them out. What are you guys doing? What are you doing, man? Ah, that's cool. That's what I wanted him to do. That's awesome. Just driving around aimlessly in Hollywood on a Friday. It's the 18th of August, 2016. A little after I saw my deer running around. Anyway, let's see if we can get these birds to move again. What are you guys doing, man? That's so cool. It's funny, man. Kind of keeps you in check. Anytime you think you're hot stuff. You're like, you could be the coolest kid in the world, have all kinds of neat stuff, but one day there's going to be a bunch of birds just hanging out right on top of your bones. So think of that when you get cocky. That's all. Ooh, wait, more birds. What are you guys doing? Birds. Wow, check you guys out. You are not fazed by me at all. It's so cool. I'm gonna stop next to somebody who was born 100 years and 2 days before me. It's cool. More birds. Hollywood's a cool place, man. Ah, that's awesome. Look at those guys. That is so cool. So cool.